Posing people and being able to clearly communicate ideas is an essential skill for any photographer, way more important than the camera or lens you're using. In this video, I'm going to explain how I covered off 7 different setups with outfit changes in about 2 hours, with 5 handy tips you can use on your next photo shoot. Let's go. I like to start each of these types of projects off with a mood board. It can just be a one-pager with a few poses, outfits, and lighting examples that I like the look of. I can then share these with the model ahead of time so that they can get into my head at exactly what we're looking to achieve. We're not copying these images, but we are using them as a little bit of inspiration. It's really easy to show someone we want to create something like this, and they just get it, rather than explaining it verbally and missing something. Zoe really stepped up for us on this one. She's not a full-time professional model, so needed a little bit of coaching from me, but was super natural and a breeze to work with. It's very much a collaboration between a photographer and the model to get the best looking images. When it comes to posing models, something I was taught a long time ago is if it bends, bend it. We're trying to avoid people looking like sim characters, like all rigid and awkward, so adding subtle bends to joints really helps that. Believe it or not, words of encouragement go an awful long way, certainly for new models who might not be super confident just yet. So for example, if I started a session saying, "Can you get comfortable on that chair for me?" and then, no, not like that, that's rubbish, I'm just going to destroy your self-confidence and make the next few hours really, really difficult. Instead, I can say something like, "I really like what you've done there. Can you maybe just lift your arm slightly or place your hand behind your head?" Yep, that's perfect. Sometimes I'll even do the pose myself and then get her to echo my posture. It's awkward because I'm not a model, but if I don't care how I look at this stage, then why should she? I'll always show the model the pictures as I'm going. Often new models can't visualize it in their heads when they're in a bit of a awkward, funny, unnatural pose, but as soon as they see it on the laptop, they're always pleasantly surprised. And a final tip is, if a model doesn't know what to do with their hands, I'll often give them some sort of prop to hold. Here we had a really, really cool vintage phone where she could hold the cord and extend it out different lengths. Sometimes I might say, just run your fingers through your hair, and we can capture some really, really nice moments. The studio is a daylight studio, meaning there's big bay windows that let in a lot of natural light. It was a particularly grey, flat day where the clouds acted as a giant softbox, simply providing ambience to the room. I can draw the curtains if I want full control of the light, but that wasn't necessary on this occasion. I simply used one Godox flash with 2 layers of diffusion to get these really nice soft shadows that adds a bit of shape to the image. The large windows provided the rest of the ambient light needed to get the correct exposure. So there you go, I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if you have any specific questions, and subscribe if you want to see more. Peace!